Well, I'm a physiotherapist and I've worked as a physio for many years. Physiotherapy is basically, we work with people after injuries or people that have chronic conditions like arthritis or fibromyalgia or back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain.
For over 25 years, Shelley DeMay has been helping people heal. She combines her passion for exercise and rehabilitation with her education and skills as a physiotherapist to ensure each client gets a comprehensive treatment program that will help them reach their personal health goals.
I treat people of all ages. So my oldest client was 100. And I think my youngest client was about 3. So lots of different age groups, people with injuries, people with pain, people that might be even just starting a new sport that they want to make sure that they're okay to do that, have an assessment. Even if they want to go on the Camino Trail or do a big bike event, a race like I do, or run, I can help make sure that they're safe to do it and put together a program for them.
Active Balance Physiotherapy is located in beautiful Sydney by the Sea, offering clients specialized treatment rooms, high-performance equipment, access to a fitness studio, and spectacular views.
It's a great space in that it has this, you walk in the door, you don't feel like you're walking into a hospital. You feel like you're walking into a bit of a spa. It's open, it's airy, there's usually music playing.
Whether you're getting a hands-on physiotherapy treatment or learning new exercises in the fitness studio, Shelley's goal is to ensure you get the one-on-one attention you need so you can heal quickly and get back to doing the things you love.
I love people. So I like hearing their stories. I like relating to them on all sorts of different levels. I mean, my day, yes, I'm working on someone's ankle or working on their neck, but I'm hearing stories about travel. I hear stories about food. I get recipes. I get advice on fashion, gardening, you name it. So it's the people and the stories and all of that draws me to the profession for sure.
Go to Active Balance Physiotherapy Studio's website and book your appointment today.